Welcome to this quick overview of SpamCop, an anti-spam tool designed to keep your inbox free of unwanted emails. SpamCop makes it simple to report and track spam sources, empowering users to contribute to a spam-free inbox by identifying and reporting spammers in a few clicks. This site is particularly valuable for those dealing with excessive spam in their emails, providing tools that are easy to navigate and effective in reducing junk mail. SpamCop allows users to either manually report spam or automate their reports by forwarding unwanted emails to a unique reporting address. These reports are then reviewed and forwarded to the appropriate internet service providers, ISPs, or administrators, who can take action against repeat offenders. One of the best parts of SpamCop is that it actively participates in disrupting spam networks, so every report you make contributes to broader spam fighting efforts. Now, SpamCop's primary purpose is tracking spam. It's not an email filtering system that blocks spam automatically. Rather, it's a reporting tool. This means that if you're looking for a tool to automatically sort out your spam without any action on your part, SpamCop may not be what you need. However, it excels at adding an extra layer of protection by keeping the spammers accountable. There's no cause to use SpamCop for basic spam reporting. However, to access the SpamCop email system itself as an ISP service, users need to register, which may involve additional steps. The website is simple but effective, focusing on usability over aesthetics, which some users may find limiting in design but still functional. SpamCop could improve by adding more intuitive navigation for first-time users, as the setup can be a bit confusing initially. For enhanced email management, I recommend Clean Email, a great complementary tool that works seamlessly to filter spam automatically. Clean Email makes it easy to organize, archive, and filter your inbox, providing a higher level of automation than SpamCop alone. To explore Clean Email, follow the link in the video description. It's the best tool I've found for email management. SpamCop provides a valuable service to anyone tired of spam cluttering up their inbox. But it's essential to understand that it doesn't work like traditional spam blockers. It's a community-driven spam reporting tool that relies on users to make spam reports, which are then processed and used to build a safer email environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews and guides.